I'm Ben. This is my channel, Dad X Toys. In my channel, we'll be reviewing toys and see if they're worth buying or not. And the source that I buy it from, I'll leave it down in the links below. Please, if you guys could subscribe, if you guys like my channel, and if you guys like what I bring, please subscribe. Package arrived today. Getting to it, we're gonna jump right in, see what we got. Boom, box cutter. Oh man. Okay. When I went online on Amazon to select these few toys that I want to use as a review, I started off with Transformers. Okay. Yeah, I'm an old school person, but Transformers, kids still love it seems. So, dad, uncles, grandpas, if there's toys that you want to get your family, this might be it. Let's see. Pulling out the first thing. Transformers Cyberverse. My voice is a little nasally. I'm under the weather. But there's going to be subtitles so you can understand. Alright. This character is called Grimlock. Boom. So, I kind of went all out. My wife don't like me buying toys for my kids because, as you can see, we got so many. I like toys. I want my kids to grow up around toys. And let's see. Megatron. Evil villain. I think Grimlock's... Oh, okay. It says it on the back right here. Hero and evil. So you got like these information of this characters and how they can transform. Pretty cool. They're about 5 inches tall. Got that. Let's see what else we got. Hey. Starscream. What we got here are pretty cool. And I'll also include a link below of all the individual toys, how to shop, how to select these toys, and help you find which one's the best one to buy. Next one we got is a Bumblebee, but let me just make sure. Yeah, so all this 3 in front of me and this, they're all Cyberverse. This one's a rescue bot. So I guess there's a different series of TV shows of rescue bot, but this one is something, oh there it is, Night Watch Bumblebee. When I saw a picture of this on Amazon, I couldn't wait to open this. Not only it looks like this, but when it transforms, boom, into a dragon. Have you ever seen that, guys? I know you Transformer fans in the 80s, 90s. It won't get better than this. Can't wait to open this. I'm gonna open this in a little while and start playing with them. But when my kids go to sleep. So when they do, I'll see you later.